One of the simplest ways to earn money online is demonstrated in the video I'm sharing with you today. How to receive $20 every time you respond yes. Isn't it wonderful to know that you may add $5, $10, or even $20 to your wallet or account balance each day simply pressing a few buttons? Yes, there are occasions when we overlook small sums, but in this instance, I'll show you a website where making $5 to $20 is not insignificant and it quickly adds up. You can easily make more than $200 to $300 in a single day. You can also withdraw money straight now, utilizing a number of other payment methods. Of course, using our website is totally free. Let us know what country you're from in the comments box below so that I can make sure that every future video I make is for you. It is free and accessible to everyone. Additionally, bear in mind that I'll be providing you exclusive additional information that will enable you to earn twice as much as other people. So be sure to stay and see everything through to the very finish. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I want you to first visit enrollapp.com on the internet. Let's Make the Web a Better Place will be visible once you arrive at the main page. It is completely legitimate business that is now in high demand and popularity in the sector. It gives us the chance to work from home and earn money. Technical expertise or experience are not required. Pay close attention as I walk you through the process so that you can begin making money right now. Go to the right side of the Enroll app homepage and click the green Sign In button when you are there. To access this page where you can enter your email address and password, click on it. Simple, right? Now that you've signed up for a free account, I also want you to check your email because you need to activate your account by clicking the verification link supplied to the email address you gave if this is your first time doing so. After logging in, you'll get a mission progress report on your Enroll app dashboard, which monitors your progress. The progress meter has a cow icon that starts on the left and advances to the right each time you complete a quest. Every step forward that you take after completing tasks and missions will be represented by the small cow. The finest part is getting bonus money and additional cash rewards. For this reason, I strongly advise novices and newcomers to try this. As you scroll down below, you'll see the first item on your Enroll app dashboard. You may view polls and the number of polls you have responded to. You have responded to the questions in the polls below. After you respond, it will display how you performed. Below are statistics, polls, and surveys that show how many people choose each options. In this case, there is nothing to do, just keep going. As you can see, from question 26 to question 27, there has just been another poll question completed. If you ask another question, the results of the polls will be added. If you ask another question, the results of the polls will be added. To earn money online, it's crucial that you respond to every poll. Additionally, you'll get more points the more surveys you respond to. Your small cow image may so sprint from the starting line to the finish line quickly, allowing you to consistently collect more extra money. It will be much simpler for our website to present you with appropriate projects that match your interest and demography. You can get extra missions and money when you respond to more polls. By selecting the buttons next to yes or no and continue, you can ask the same question repeatedly. Actually, there is no restriction, so you can repeat this as often as you like. Additionally, you may view the polls you've responded to in real time. Remember that the more polls or questions you complete, the more money you will earn. If you don't have a computer, you may still complete this task using just your smartphone. The best feature is that it functions everywhere. It doesn't matter if you're from South Africa, Indonesia, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, the United States, the Philippines, India, or any other nations in the world. Using this chance, you can start making money. Being active entails logging into your account each day if you want to consistently earn bonus money and points. Just 5 minutes a day for 30 days straight is all that it's required. To complete your first task, just answer one poll question each day. After I previously stated, as each step is completed, the cow icon will advance to the right until it reaches the finish line. Additionally, you can earn more money and points on this website the more badges you have. Now, if you want to treble your income, there is one more configuration that you must do. Focus on this. When you log in, select Test Preferences from the drop-down menu next to the profile symbol. After that, you'll arrive at this page. Make certain that all of your profile settings are current. Please note that all of your responses to these questions will be kept strictly confidential. Next, please choose all three of the mobile, tablet, and desktop options under devices I can test on. If you're wondering why you need to choose all three, it's because the more devices you select, the more tests and surveys you can take. You can earn more money as a result. What it asks you when the ideal time is for you to take the test. It will mention testing availability. Thus, I urge you to select the first option, Send me tests as soon as possible, so that they can send you more tasks on your account and more task notification in your email. You can earn more money if you have more opportunities. It's also vital to read the notification below about how they will send you an email when you qualify for a test and validate your phone number, so they may give you an SMS notification in addition to an email whenever tests become available. Always remember to adhere to these parameters if you want to increase your earnings on this website. After that, you can resume responding to the pool's questions. Just keep performing it repeatedly. You just saw how easy it is to use the website to generate money online by simply selecting yes or no. You can do this from anywhere in the world. To see your tiny cow icon go from 0 to 100 and begin collecting your bonus money, all you have to do is concentrate on making progress by completing all your objectives, earning more points, and earning more badges. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.